Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl India Babes and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, hey, let me know in the comment section what you've been up to. So in today's video, we're going to do like a quick little pack with me. I'm going on a short Chicago trip and I have some packing to do. And right now, before we get into the suitcase and everything, comment down below how many days you think I'm going away based on my suitcase and what it looks like. Comment your number of days you think I'm going away for in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll show you guys a couple of things that I'm bringing along with me, and yeah, let's get into the suitcase. So this is the mess of my suitcase so far. I have a good amount of shoes. I think I need to downgrade for certain stuff. So we're just gonna reorganize, make sure this stuff fits a little bit better. Alright, so we are getting into showing all the stuff that I'm bringing. That is my toiletry bag. This bag has all my camera stuff in it. And then my little jewelry traveler. I got this off of Amazon. Helps bring and organize your jewelry so well. More of some toiletries that are going to fit in my carry-on. And then that is going to be my main bag on the way there. All these cute little shoes you see I got from Rainbow. Very, very good deal. Some of these shoes I ended up not bringing because, like I said, I needed to downsize. These I was very excited about. These black strappy sandals I got from Rainbow as well. And then you guys will see the Converse in there. I ended up not bringing those as well. So that helped me save a lot of space in my suitcase as far as carry-on. The size of my carry-on is a 24-inch and I have been missing out on the carry-on lifestyle. I fit a good 5 pairs of shoes in here, several purses, and along with like 6 or 7 outfits, including underwear, swimsuits, bags, literally so much stuff in this carry-on. And then I'm just gonna start by taking all this stuff outside on this side, and then I ended up reorganizing and putting all my clothing in the netted area so that I could secure it down and potentially fill more space in the suitcase. Also, if you guys notice, I am a little bit under the weather, so that's why I sound a little stuffy, but just ignore it. It is fine. And if you're interested in seeing the stuff that I'm bringing, a lot of this stuff is featured on the recent hauls on my channel. So make sure you go ahead and look at my Shein haul and a couple of my collective hauls as well. I also tried a different method of packing my suitcase. I thought if I lay everything flat, that will kind of help with space. I do recommend the roll-up method as well, but I just wanted to see, since if I didn't have that much stuff, if this would work out for me as well. Alright, so now it is time for the grand finale of me seeing if all of this stuff will zip up in my suitcase. I think I did a pretty good job. I ended up not opening this suitcase to put any more stuff in it. So you'll see me just trying to pack this all in, and then we will get into my carry-on bag and organizing my makeup and everything and make sure I'm not overdoing it. At this point in life, I put this bag on my suitcase and it fell, and some blush that I had in here cracked open and spilled on everything. So I'm showing you the doomsday of me cleaning this up. But that is pretty much the end of my packing. Let me know in the comment section how many days you think I'm actually staying based off of all the stuff that I brought on this trip. I am known for overpacking, but if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for next video.